Oh, it's important, y'all. If we never post this video, call this number. Wait.
Duh! Stupid!
Okay, so we're out here, Point Lobos. I thought we were at the beach, but as you see, it's not the beach.
Nowhere near.
So, no, it's only like a mile away. It's not that bad.
I'm big.
So we're gonna go find the beach, and I guess he won't be big after this, right? So, yes.
I'm gonna need a fat snack on.
What do you gotta say about this nice view?
I really like the. Dang!
Oh, is it zoomed all the way in?
I don't know.
Let me try that. How's that? There we go.
This view is really nice.
Let's keep moving.
Really nice.
Ain't it?
The little water scenery in the background. You know, I'm not getting in there because it's cold.
Touch it.
I believe you.
No, just touch it. With your hand.
Oh shit. No, I'm taking his word for it. But that's the point, that it's just so beautiful, so magnificent. I think we're gonna give you a better view of it though. Aren't we?
Man, so we lost the drone, but the man Stu just came through to help.
What's up? What's
He's the hero of the day. Oh yeah. Oh man.
Teamwork, dreamwork.
Oh yeah. So we're underneath the famous Bixby Bridge. Good stuff. Good stuff. Never been out here before.
Huh? Yeah. And I bet you, we ask him, is that enough adventure for one day? He gonna tell us now. Watch. Let's see. Is this enough adventure for one day?
I want to go home.
You ready to go home? Oh, I'm surprised. What's up, my dude?
The hero.
You're the real MVP out here, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah.
You okay?
Thank you. Hey, do you have like Instagram?
Yeah.
It's aftermath. Our boy, he got some good footage of me doing some nonsensical activities. How was you feeling while I was doing that, bro? Because honestly, I was pretty chill the whole time.
I was praying. That's all I could say. I was praying.
Honestly, I prayed like right before I started, and I was like, we gonna be fat chilling. And yeah, so on the drive back, we were just guesstimating how high well, I guess how low the descent I went through, how far I climbed down. You got that? Let's see, we'll focus. That's I don't know if you can see that, but that's 260 feet. And the only thing I can say about that is, why the would you let me do that? I mean, why would you let me do that? Gotta keep it PC, trying to get sponsored out here. But
I don't have nothing to say.